Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sosa here. So today I'm at a car meet. We're at Rimtyme of Savannah. You can see it behind me right there. Yeah, they got a few cars out here, so let me go ahead and turn this on for you. Alright, we got a Beamer. Alright. Oh, we got a Corvette pulling up. Oh my goodness. Oh, we got a WRX. Okay. Nice WRX. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So I'm just getting out of here. It's just starting. So we got a little bit more time before a few more cars pull up. So, you know, we got my little car. It ain't nothing much, but it's something. We got this Camry over here. Let me see what this Camry got. This Camry look hard. We got my little brother out here, Jaden. Jaden say what's up to YouTube. He said what's up, y'all. Alright. Let's see what this Camry got going on. This Camry look good. I ain't even gonna lie. What is it, 24s? What? Oh, he got the inside. Yeah, but this is how they come though. With the red. Oh, you can't even see back there. But you got like the red seats, if you can see right back in there. Yeah, the red package. I mean, it go good with the rims. Watch out. Get up in there. What are these called? Star. What is it? I can't even see. Don't make me lie to you. Alright. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty basic camera. Let's see what else they got. Oh, I love me some Rams. If you don't know already, I am a big Dodge fan. So, yeah, you might as well put that on the table. But I do love me a good WRX, good Corvette. Let's see what this Corvette got going on. Actually, he done popped the hood. Oh, he got it supercharged.
Oh, we got the Riley. We got the Riley.
It's supercharged. Hell yeah. Look at that. Oh, he got headers too. I mean, yep. And he wrapped them. Yeah, he wrapped them. For sure, this thing is clean, man. Oh my God, look at the wheels. And he got good tires on the Continentals. For sure. Yeah, man, this shit hard. Okay, that's me right there. Okay, now we talking about something. We got a little RT coming in. Check this Ram out. Oh, this is like a Cummings. Oh, it is. This is a Cummings. Look at that, and he powder coated. No. Look at him. He says it's stock, you guys. I don't believe him. Leave it in the comment section if you believe him if it's stock. I don't.
It's a 69 mil billet wheel, 369 SXE turbo. It's early third gen manifold, pusher style intake. It's got upgraded Hamilton cams, push rods, valve springs, stage 2 trans, tuned on EFI Live, running about 600 to the wheels.
Damn, this thing hauling ass. Oh, look at the wheels. What are these called?
They're hostile wheels. They're a 20x12 negative 44 offset, sitting on a 305 5520.
Yes, sir. What lift this is?
It's a 2.5 inch level by Rough Country.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. Look at that.
I took this from completely stock.
Don't say he only had this.
How you see it?
Completely stock. Man, this thing hauling ass. If you guys haven't met my dad, this is my dad right here, Chance Evans Sr. No, he got his little fit on today, you guys. He feeling this, so. Yeah, man, but this Ram is hard, for sure. 600 to the wheels, you guys. This ain't playing. Thirsty. I bet. Alright, let's see what else they got over here. I see a neon. You don't really see neons that much. I love the color. Look at that. You got a mini wide body kit on it. Okay, slotted disc rotors. Okay. Look at the paint. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It's real good. Nice metallics. Is it a manual? Oh yeah, it's a manual. Yes, sir. Well, he got it done over here. He got that powder coated.
That's something.
Oh, he got the turbo in there too.
He's got a
K&N.
50 mil billet precision turbo.
Billet precision turbo. Yeah.
58. We got some. Is this one not?
No,
Oh, don't.
he got a turbo.
Right there. Thought it ran now. I was gonna say.
Thirsty.
Yeah, that's the name of our car group.
Thirsty.
Yeah, I'm the president. He's the vice president of this car group. We started it about 2.5, 3 months ago. We've kind of just trying to get out in the community.
Is it local? Local?
Yeah, here in Denver.
Awesome.
We're all local. About 5 or 6 months here in the military station right here.
Army, I say a little better than that. All right. Get in the group, man. I'm trying to get me a don't. Y'all take don'ts. It don't matter what phone is.
Doesn't really matter. I mean, the way we look at things right now is if you got a plan, you kind of want to help out, you want to be there for the group, and there's no specific like car.
Like tuner or
Yeah, there's, I mean, look at me.
You got an ST.
He got that. Oh,
Can't forget a little ST. Little ST chopper. Now, let's check out the RT. What we all been waiting for. This is my favorite color. Oh my god. This is so sexy in person. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You already got it all tinted. I love how they came out with the Hellcat hood on the RTs. Give us a little more aggressive stance. We got no WRX pulling up over there. Black. RT. Got a Silverado leaving. Now I'm back up. Watch out. Oh, it's a girl. 2. Okay. All-wheel drive version. Okay. Don't get it fucked up now. Don't get it fucked up. Oh. Thank you. Look at the brakes. Yes. Look at the paint. Damn. It's stupid metallic. I know y'all can see that. Oh my god. Look at the paint. Not a big fan of the red, but you know, everybody got their own taste. Okay. What's up? It's the ST. STI. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look at the metallic in it. I want to hear this boy start up again. So nice. Hey man, you mind saying a few things about the car?
It's a built bottom end, cam, supercharged. I'm setting up. These lines are just like for the meth kit. I'm gonna run full 85 soon.
Oh yeah.
I know it's only pushing like 550.
550, that's still. Yeah. Yeah, man.
After E, I should be over 600.
Yeah, that E85 be killing. Yes, sir, for sure. Yes, I love
But
it.
with the older cars, it's really hard to put E85.
Right.
You gotta buy a PCM. You gotta buy everything.
Got to switch it all out.
Yeah.
Okay. I know this. Man, let's go. This is a C6, right? C5.
So like if you look at the lights, they're a little different.
Oh, they low. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, that's way better. Yeah,
Oh, that's sweet.
for sure. That's nice.
That's sweet, bro. Look at that, bro. That's tight.
You gotta get. Carbon fiber duck bill, yeah.
That carbon fiber hood too.
Oh. Stunning. Is this a left hand drive or right hand? Oh, it's a right hand. You gotta get the right hand. I think they stopped making them, right? Yeah, they had stopped making these the left hands first. Carbon fiber hood. You know what's done under the hood? This a rare one.
And the carbon fiber.
Yeah, this one is way more rare. Nice, decent turnout, you guys.
We just started.
Just getting started.